God, the MacBooks again? Didn't we just give one of these away? What's the problem?
That's new.
Oh, the keyboard doesn't work.
Welcome to the Apple Orchard. Join myself and others collecting vintage and not so vintage Apple computers and products. Welcome to the Orchard.
Well, this story begins with us with the actual broken keyboard right here. As you can see, we're looking at it, we got a little bit of corrosion going on here. I'm not sure if this is from water or from what, but this is from the last notebook that we had that was really not working too well. And you can see up here we got a lot of nastiness right there. Disgusting! I'll tell you, disgusting. Yeah, check that out. It's like black. It's from silver to black. Well, what I notice that we have to do is we have to peel off this protective barrier. I'll just use my screwdriver. Seems to work the best. And you can see we got part of a little bit of a logic board here along with a couple of ribbon cables. Now those of you that have a PS3 would be used to this type of connection. Get in there, scrubby, scrubby, scrubby. That's the way it needs to be. And a little bit more. Get this bottom layer. This is kind of gross too. You can even see it on the Q-tip already. So get this part nice and clean. Nice and clean. Let those contacts be able to actually get together again. And snap her back in. Flip the thing down, and she should be locked in, fairly good to go. Now I'll just take her cover and put it right back on. It should be tacky enough to stay, or get right back on again. Now here's the fun part. I'm guessing that these sections here have some kind of contact with the outer grounding type effect. Not really sure how it works or why it works, but we can see here at the screwdriver, this stuff is crusty. It ain't moving. And I can't scrape anything off at all with this thing. But these things sold between 20 and 25 bucks online right now in the spring of 2017. Some people are asking over 100 for them, but good luck with that. I don't think these machines are worth 100 bucks. They still do work. Yeah, let's try this though. I got my fancy little Dremel tool. My little wire wheel attachment on the end. I bet this will do a little bit. And no, not really. This first one at least. This is some tough stuff on here. I have no idea what kind of corrosion this is. Let's go horizontal with it. And still nothing. Oh, well, these keyboards are used on the MacBooks between 06 and 09. Before the dual core 1.83s, the 2.13 gigahertz versions of the A1181s. But at first you don't succeed. Just get a bigger hammer. Except one that hopefully works. Here we go. Let's try out the little sanding tool. Hey, that's working. Look, that shines up pretty nice. This reminds me of the good old times of being at home. Mom kept everything nice and shiny clean. Oh, I think that was some other place. Oh, this is working. Bend the one tab up, but I think we're all right here. Now, I'm not quite certain what these tabs do. They must be some kind of grounding thing, because this whole entire rail is connected together. and everything else doesn't have a coating on it at all, and it is kind of spring loaded. So we got them all cleaned up. Now we have to replace it off again. As I took another replacement keyboard that I had laying around that the K key does not work at all on. I'm not even sure why. We've tried a few things and that K key just won't come back to life. So we'll pull that one off. Now we gotta be a little bit careful here because this stuff's all loaded in with the nice plastic tabs and everything else. So if you pull too tight or too hard, you pull the cable right out of it. So get everything all lined up again. Make sure all the little plastic retainer clips are on the side because these things are mostly plastic and that's how they hold themselves together. We get our cable connected back in right there and we snap her on down. Take our MagSafe charging cord and we get a light. Come on. There it is. Beautiful. Hit the button. Now wait for it.
I made virtually no money.
And we're in. Beauty. Ain't no way you're calling me a hoser today. Alright. Let's put on some Firefox and see how this works. Check it out. We have a keyboard again. It's kind of like magic. No way, eh? Well, that's great. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit that subscribe button and don't be afraid to comment below. We'll see you next time.
Don't you just look comfy?